Here is a 52-inch 6-bladed Heritage Empire Deluxe. And it comes with a 4-arm light kit, which this one did come with, but I didn't have all the shades, so I just took it off and plugged up the hole. And again, I have the rosewood side of the blades facing down. If you want to see what it looks like with the oak side, we got one in the DT Galleries. And it has the light kit on it as well, so you can see what that looks like. And that's a nice fan. I like it a lot. I got it from Kelly Turner, who purchased it at, I believe, a Goodwill store or some kind of thrift store. And it didn't come with the screws that hung the blades, but I had ones that fit, so I used them. And you know, it makes a lot of noise when it runs, bearing noise and whatnot. It is a Heritage, after all. And medium doesn't work. It goes high off, low off. So, let's see what I can do about that. But anyway, here's high. And this is what would be medium. See, it's pretty much just stopping. And here's low. But I'll see, maybe replace the capacitor or something, see if I can get medium working. I don't really have a place to permanently install it, since I have good high quality stack motor fans and whatnot here in the house that I want to keep. So, I'm not worried too much about fixing this right now, but who knows. I do like Heritages, but I'd rather have something quality hanging in the house. I know that they are Heritages. Doesn't mean I can't have them in my collection. This is the 153 by 12 spinner motor with 6 52-inch blades, so you can imagine that it's not as powerful as it probably should be. But it's a nice fan. And it's got a good spin down time, but I don't want the video to get too long, so I'm just going to stop it. And I hope you enjoyed.